Made in Myanmar, with a conscience. This designer once toiled as a teenage worker in a factory outside Yangon, churning out clothes. Now she is one of a new crop of designers using homegrown couture as a counter to cheap mass-produced fashion.
We are the one dealing with the consequences of the situations, whatever happens here. So if this, fast fashion and the unethical fashion continues, then we are the ones to be suffering.
Global brands like H&M and Primark have piled into Myanmar since junta rule ended in 2011. Garment exports more than doubled to $1.65 billion last year. But critics say low wages, long hours and weak labor rights mean workers are gaining little. Others fear the flood of low-cost clothes is killing off a centuries-old traditional weaving industry.
Mills are actually dying because there's no market demand anymore. There's no market for them. So they don't have buyers as much as they're supposed to have. So a lot of mills actually closing down.
Myanmar is proud of its traditional clothing, famously worn by democracy hero Aung San Suu Kyi. Today, there are some 50 designers, compared to just 10 in 1994. P-owned Tet Tet Chaw's experience on the factory floor made her determined to open her own boutique and train other women.
Start to see some of the things like, you only get to spend like 10 minutes of your time for lunch, and you cannot go to the toilet whenever you want because it would disrupt the production line.
Aiming to make sure workers and local fabrics don't get left behind. Stitch by stitch.